This is Teacher Janelle, and I invite you to come learn with me. This is a reading and writing practice designed for parents who wished to help their child begin to read and write. Welcome to Month 1, Week 1, Day 3, getting started with sounds and simple words. For Day 3, we do sight words and sentences. The following are the sight words. Read with me. The, is, on, in. Dear parents, let your child read along. Let's do it word for word, then slowly as a sentence, and then a bit faster. Let's begin. The cat is on the mat. The cat is on the mat. The cat is on the mat. The pet is in the den. The pet is in the den. The pet is in the den. The pen is in the hat. The pen is in the hat. The pen is in the hat. Dear parent, guide your child into writing the sentences. They are given 1 minute to copy each sentence. Praise them for getting the correct ones and explain to them what might be lacking in their sentences. Let them correct their mistakes. Dear parent, let your child read the sentence as I point. Pause the video if they have difficulty reading each word. Great work today, kids! Keep practicing these sentences, and you'll get the hang of it. See you tomorrow for day 4. We'll have more words to read and write together. This is Teacher Janelle. Ta-ta for now!